Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I am going to discuss about the stock selection for tomorrow based on the candlesticks pattern. That is a reversal candlesticks pattern I am going to discuss too. So yesterday we talked about NTPC granulars that was not giving you entry. Let's check it out. So here yesterday we thought 156 below we are going to sell NTPC, and today it started moving down by 155.65. That yesterday's low is broken. So but here I say you there is no entry opportunities on that. Why? Because of in first 5 minutes candle, let's see, this is the 5 minutes candle, it broken that low. So after the breaking the low, we may be focusing this level to break further, because we are focusing for yesterday's low. Next day the market opened with gap lower or gap higher, maybe our entry point got triggered. But if any point of the time the first 5 minutes candle itself it triggers your entry, so you have to wait for that first 5 minutes candle low to break, so even get more confirmation. If you are selling it out by yesterday's lowest level, but today it triggers you entry, but it went higher and closed positive, so it may be a loss making trade. There is a trick for the first 5 minutes. If the stock broken your entry point, so we have to wait the next 5 minutes. That low should be broken or high should be broken according to the candlesticks we are watching it for. So NTPC doesn't give you entry, and we are focusing for granulars. That is also happening same like that, because today market open gap lower and it's finally ending with closed with a higher almost 150 points in Nifty. And also I was traded in Bank Nifty options today after a long time back. So I got a profit on that, but it is a highly volatile, so to avoid. So let's check it out. This is the first candle of granulars. Let's go for a daily time frame. So this is what a shooting star which is happening middle of the trend. But even if it is happening at higher level, it would be a more powerful reversal. But even we are talking about the reversal around 306. In first 5 minutes candle it has already broken and it made a low of 303. So if we are focusing for a selling opportunity, once this low is broken, we are going to focus. If you are waiting for that opportunity, finally this stock is not giving you the trade opportunity, so we are not getting false entry by trap. So that is what the main reason we can use the first 5 minutes. If the stock breaks the level, we are not focusing it far. So let's find out the stock for tomorrow. We didn't get any good stocks today. Let's go for our opening chartink.com and go for our dashboard, the stock selection for tomorrow. And again, today we don't have any new stocks. Yesterday also we didn't find out any stocks, and today also we didn't get any stocks. So because tomorrow is the expiry, even better avoid to trade in expiry market, so we can simply avoid that better. And let me go for that candlesticks pattern which we have created recently. So about shooting star, we didn't get any shooting star candle for the number 3, and if you are using a 2, we have Hindustan Unilever. Let me go for HUL. Hindustan Unilever forming a shooting star. Let me go to check it out. Yeah, it is already is going down from this doji, almost from 2664 it's moving down. So almost the trend was almost positive. There is a shooting star. Let me check it out. There is a looks good. At this point we are going to check what was the entry point for that trade is 2585 and 2629. Almost 35 point is the risk for the trade. If you are going to take this position, you are going to take a risk of 35 rupees. So your stop loss would be 2630 and entry point would be 2585. That is what entry point. These are the risks which is available in the trade. So already it is in bot top, and already it gives you entry, and even it may gives breaks down, so that the downtrend may continue on that particular stock. So that one we find out only one stock, which is Hindustan Unilever, for a selling reversal based on the candlesticks pattern. Let me go to check it out. Yesterday we created about a hammer candle, right? So is there any candlesticks pattern? No stocks were we filtered out by hammer. And if you are using number 2, we got a India Bull Housing Finance and Dalmia Bharat. Let me go for iBull Housing Finance. What happened in that? Yeah, looks good, but it is not happening. After 2 days, it is keep on going up. The trend is from here, it is keep on going higher, and the small correction by last 2 days by this hammer, inverted hammer, and it gone down. So it forms a hammer, may have the chances to continues the trend. So let me check it out. What was the risk in this particular trade? Let me try. So one, oh, big. So almost huge. I think 4,000 lot size on this stock, having 128.9 is the high. Sorry, 129.97 and 122. So big risk. So simple avoid or invest on that. Maybe if it is breaks above 129.7, we have to try entry, and the stop loss for 122 for the trade. It's almost big. Stop loss around 7 points. It is a huge stop loss. And also the tomorrow is the expiry day. We didn't get option trade also for a current contract. So simply ignore this trade because it's high risk. If you are a high risky trader, you can take this position for your opportunity. And the Dalmia Bharat, it's not looks good for a trade. 𝗂𝐵𝐴 Bharat having a illiquid. Try it out. That is what also forms after 2 days down. Today also market the Nifty and Bank Nifty is reversed after gap down opening. Let me check it out. Nifty, yeah, there's a technical gap down and recovered back. And Bank Nifty also opened by technical gap. And another important thing, Bank Nifty, it looks like a open low and it started moving. Today I was taken in Bank Nifty. I think 38 300 call and 38 200 call. Both I taken around 8 quantities, which gives me near about more than 20k plus. One trade which I have done in the option, but after my exit it went huge. That is the today's scenario in Bank Nifty that we have done, because the monthly expiry, this was a monthly expiry. We already reached monthly expiry, don't want to take option positional, so we simply wait for a trade to come next month. I'm going to focusing for option trade for next month. This month I should wait for option positional options by next week's only. Let's go to today in Bank Nifty. So don't have the opportunity in Nifty, so I thought to trade in Bank Nifty. That was worked well for me today. This is what my Bank Nifty which I taken today's trade in options, almost that 38 200, where I taken 38 200 around 316, exited nearby 400, and it went up to 700. No one can predict the target, it may go up or down, but finally we booked a profit of 16k in Bank Nifty option. Because of today we are not going to focus. This week I stopped my positional option trading because of expiry. The time value decay will be high. So these are the reasons I have stopped my positional trading. And from Friday onwards I'm going to start my positional trading. So I hope this may be a useful video. That there is a 2 stocks you have filtered. One is India Bull Housing Finance. The second one is which you have for your finding out by shooting star. That is what the stock which is Hindustan Unilever, HUL. These 2 stocks we can focus for tomorrow. One is for a buy and another one is for a sell. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you so much.